before thieves comes to me, you know. And what you do, you hold this strap like that, right? You fish this through this here, right? Just gonna place my camera. So I'm going to strap my seats, guys, the seat belt here, to prevent thieves to come and rob me. You know what I mean? It can happen anytime because this is just reality of the job, right? You have to always protect yourself on the road, right? And we're gonna buckle up here. See that? And that's not gonna move nowhere. I'm trying to hold my camera same time. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird, the angle. So let's go this way. I pull seat belt, I fish it through the handle of the door, and I'm gonna lock this here, right? So now I'm gonna release the tension here, see that? And if somebody wanna come in my truck, it is impossible to do that. Window must be closed. This is safety tip for you guys today. Yeah, and I do both sides of the door, so I'm safe on the middle of nowhere.